Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra. Chapter 1. The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. The sanctuary spirit, radiance of ineffable light, found the door of liberation, demonstrating the various powers of a Buddha. At that time, the sanctuary spirit, banner of pure adornments, imbued with power from the Buddha, looked over all the sanctuary spirits and said, I recall the Buddha in former times, the practices he performed for countless eons, making offerings to all the Buddhas who appeared. So he has virtues vast as all space. The Buddha practiced unlimited generosity in infinite lands, numerous as all atoms. Thinking of the well-faring Buddha, Polar Mountain Light's heart is glad. The physical forms of Buddha have no end. His transformations pervade all lands, always appearing, even in dreams. Thunder Banner, seeing this, gives rise to joy. He practiced relinquishment for countless ages, able to give up eyes, hard to part with, enough to fill a sea. This practice of relinquishment was for the sake of all beings. This wonderful eyes happily understands. Boundless forms like blazing clouds of jewels appear in sanctuaries throughout the world. The spirit form of pure flames rejoices upon seeing the mystical power of Buddha. The ocean of sentient beings' activities is shoreless. The Buddha fills it with the rain of truth, removing doubt and confusion according to potential. Flower Garland, realizing this, is pleased. The different meanings of innumerable teachings are delved into by his oceanic eloquence. The spirit raining precious adornments is always thus in mind.